Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Debian Linux 13.4. Then we will connect from the PSQL client and Debia. First open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. Then click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then select Debian. See, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports current versions of Debian 13, 12, 11. Okay. So we have to run these commands one by one. So open terminal. So copy these commands one by one. This is going to install :ca certificates, and these three commands are going to import the repository signing key. Type and hit enter. It is run. Control. Now execute these two commands. Copy this entire line. Paste it. Hit enter. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. It is done. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17. Okay, I want to install latest version, that is 18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install these dependencies and this PostgreSQL component. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server, and see here these are the default values, and this is the data directory. Max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the default time zone. This is based on my system settings. Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running, and its service status is enabled. Quit to quit. Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected, and this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.3. Quit to quit. Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. First verify list of users /du, or we can get the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. We have successfully set the password. Now create database. Before that, verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Now create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, you have created table customer in public schema, and this is the owner of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to exit. ESQL -u must be caps. Then username is David -h means host name. Local host is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -d means database. Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission denied for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18 on Debian Linux. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit current user, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Q to quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Exit. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active. Okay. Q to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, we have successfully restarted. 1 second. Q to quit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server from the PSQL client. You can also connect from the Debia. If you haven't installed Debia, then search for my YouTube channel how to install Debia on Debian Linux. See, I have already installed Debia. Now click on database and select new database connection or go to this plugin button, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Localhost is fine because PostgreSQL is installed on this one. Show all databases. 543 is that port number and this is the database that is there in this host. Username Postgres, then provide the password of this user. Not only Postgres, you can use the user which is there in this host. Then click on test connection. Download drivers. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.3. Click on OK, click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. See, we have databases. If you want to create database, right click on databases, create database, testdb, click on OK. See, new database is there. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now you can run the queries. Go to this database, schemas, public schema, tables. See, we have table customer. Let us run query against this table. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Debian Linux 13.4. As I told you, the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Then we have seen how to connect from the PSQL client and Debia. Okay. For more database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.